box. First order of business is take the box off. There's 4 mounts holding it in place to the frame. Not really sure if we're gonna cut or take the bolts out because you gotta take the muffler off for half of them. You got one here, one down there, and then if you come over here by your air tank, there's only one on this side.
Yes, there's only 3 total.
So there's only 3. That's one down, or at least loose. Oh jeez.
Get the breaker bar.
We're not. That's one of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First mount is off. Now we're trying to figure out how to get in between the muffler and the frame to get the other one.
Not the best breaker bar in the world.
What in the Alabama, Betty Crocker?
It works.
She's just enough. There she goes. Found a piece of rust. Super easy. It might be hot. I'm not sure. There we go. Is that all 3? Yep. Just in time. We get the box off, and the title comes in the mail. Perfect. Now we can finally go get the title swapped. There you have it. Now this truck was blue, and then it was painted over white. So I guess they just kept the box on and painted it, and whatever white got on the cab got on the cab, because this is still blue. So don't know what I'm gonna do there, but we'll figure something out eventually.